The next lesson of the paper 1 of the unit 1 fluid dynamics. The MCQs and all these things we are going to discuss in this particular part. You know, when the liquid flows slowly and steadily over the fixed horizontal surface, that is called as a streamline flow. What is a streamline flow? Streamline flow is nothing but the flow of liquid slowly and steadily over a fixed horizontal surface. MCQ will be there. Vertical surface, horizontal surface, there will be the different option. Okay. Then its layer in contact with the fixed surface is stationary. That is, its velocity along the surface is zero. The velocity of the layer increases with the distance from the fixed surface. The velocity of any other layer is proportional to its distance from the stationary layer and is maximum for the uppermost layer. Now we can consider any layer of the liquid. Its upper surface is in contact with the faster moving layer above it, and lower surface is in the contact with a lower moving layer below it. The faster moving layer is tries to accelerate it, while the slower moving layer tries to retard it. The two layers together tends to destroy their relative motion, as if there is some backward dragging force acting tangentially on the layers. See here. Faster moving layer tries to accelerate it, whereas the slower moving layer tries to retard it. To whom there will be the some force. Consequently, if a relative velocity is to be maintained between the two layers of the liquid, an external force is required to overcome this backward drag. This property of the liquid, by virtue of it, opposes the relative motion between its different layer, is known as the viscosity. Definition: that viscosity is there, that MCQ will be there based on this particular definition. In the coefficient of viscosity, during the streamline flow of a liquid, each slower moving layer of the liquid exerts a tangential retarding force. Each slower moving layer of the liquid exerts the tangential retarding force. Dot 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 is exerted by the slower moving layer of the liquid. That is a tangential retarding force on the adjacent faster moving layer. This force is called as the viscous drag, or say viscous force. There will be the MCQs based on this particular topic. What is a viscous force and that particular. Okay. Then Newton showed this viscous force acting tangentially on any liquid layer is directly proportional to its surface area. Again, there will be the MCQ based on this part, and inversely proportional to the distance from the stationary layer. Okay, that equation is given: F is directly proportional to A, that is F is directly proportional to minus V, and F is directly proportional to 1 upon X. That negative signs of the V indicating that the direction of the force is opposite to that the velocity, and therefore F is directly proportional to this particular F. Then you can take equal to sign, where you can see where eta is constant and depending upon the nature of the liquid, and it's called as the coefficient of viscosity. Okay, eta is nothing but the coefficient of viscosity. It is depend upon the nature of the liquid, that may come for the MCQ purpose. Then next part is that again the continuation is there. F is equal to minus eta A dv by dx, which gives the rate of change of velocity with distance is called as a velocity gradient. Again, the MCQ will be there. dv by dx is called as velocity gradient and is known as the Newton, and equation, this particular equation is known as the Newton's law of viscous flow in streamline motion. This F is equal to minus eta A dv by dx is nothing but a Newton's laws of viscous flow in streamline motion. If A is equal to 1 unit, then dv is by dx is equal to 1 unit, then F is equal to eta. Hence, the coefficient of viscosity is defined as the viscous force. That the coefficient of viscosity, definition of that coefficient of viscosity is there. It is again coming for the MCQ. That is, a coefficient of viscosity is defined as a viscous force per unit area per unit velocity gradient. Is nothing but the coefficient of viscosity. Unit is the dyne second per centimeter square and called as the poise. given a honor of the French scientist Poiseuille, that is called as a poise. A liquid has a viscosity of the one poise if a tangential force of 1 dyne per square centimeter is required to maintain a relative velocity of 1 centimeter per second between two layers 1 centimeter apart. The SI unit of viscosity in Newton second per meter square and called the decapoise. A liquid has a viscosity of 1 decapoise if a tangential force of 1 Newton per meter square is required to maintain the relative velocity of 1 meter per second between the two layers 1 meter apart. Decapoise and the deca, here you can see this particular thing is 1 decapoise is equal to 10 poise, or say 1 poise is equal to 0.1 Newton second per meter square. Dimension is given m raised to m raised to 1, l raised to minus 1, t raised to minus 1. This is the dimension of the viscosity. Okay, please go through these things. It is very simple one. Here we have seen the probable MCQs based on this your topic, fluid dynamics. Okay, next part we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.